Okay, the game has changed. Hi there, I hope you are well. I'm coming in really quick. 4 days before this is going to be going public, before I can speak about this publicly, I'm coming in to give you an exclusive invitation because I'm a strategic partner with my mentors, Tony Robbins, Dean Graziosi, and this latest project that they're involved in. So you are invited to the Game Has Changed. It's an event, a 3-day event, a free 3-day event for around about 2.5 to 3 hours a day. It starts UK time 6 o'clock in the evening, so just adjust that for time differences. 3 days, 2.5 to 3 hours a day with the very best in the world. Again, these are people that spend a day with Dean, it's $250,000. If you want 3 coaching sessions a year with Tony, it's $1 million, right? They're rocking up for free to share with you how we can use our knowledge, our skills, our expertise, our lived experience to go and help other people. This is what they've been doing for decades. This is what I do and have been doing for the last 7 years. Take my lived experience and go and help people. That principle hasn't changed, but what has changed is the game. Because this world has changed, the economy has changed, inflation, cost of living, technology, politics, AI. There's a lot of stuff that people are fearful at the moment. There's a lot of confusion out there, not quite sure where we're going. Well, Tony and Dean have obsessed over this in terms of what we already know and going to help other people at a time when they probably need it the most. And how do we use the tools and technology that we've got right now that didn't even exist 6 months ago that can help us do this quicker, more effective, more efficiently than ever before? So these are exciting times, but you kind of got to know the game that you're playing, because we're not playing the same game as we were playing a year ago. They've got the tools, they've got the strategies, and they're going to rock up for free with a whole bunch of guest speakers to help us understand how we do this, how we unlock it. And I tell you what, I've seen what's come in. I've played around with things. I've seen the content. I've road tested stuff that's come in, and it's incredible. But you've got to know the strategies. You've got to know the roadmap to get you there. Otherwise, you're just as confused as everybody else. So let's cut that confusion. I'm giving you exclusive before I go public with this. When I can go public on the 1st of June, I'm giving you exclusive access right now because you're in my inner circle, because you're on the email list. You're in my world. So I want to give you those exclusive opportunities. And the beautiful thing is, because I'm a strategic partner on this, then I'll be with you all the steps of the way. So if you've got those questions, those queries, then I'm here to ask, to be asked. And if I don't know the answer, I've got direct access to Tony, Dean, and the team to get your questions answered. So that's the benefit of doing it through the likes of me as a strategic partner. So I'm so excited about this. It's a privilege to be a partner with them again. This is my 4th time partnering with them, but it's different. The game has changed even for us, because this is no longer just for this event, it's going forward. So it's an honor. I'm so excited. I'd love to see you there. It's free. Go and spend some time with the best people on the planet. And then if you've got questions and queries in the meantime, you can come to me and I'll get them answered for you. I can't wait. Go and click the link, register now, and I'll see you there.